We're here at the Caso de Pancakes. It's one of my favorite places in Puerto Vallarta. And one of the reasons, as you can see right there, is that toucan. Not really, it's the pancakes. But I like this garden. If you look up that garden, I love this garden. I love to have breakfast here. So, whenever you come, ask to be seated at the garden. And it just gives it a different feel. Great breakfast. You'll see in a minute. Selva Negra pancakes. And this is how it's done.
Mire, lo que tengo ahorita.
Pero parece que ya sale a las 10, ¿no?
Tengo este a las 10, que es arcos, ánimas y mixto, que viene siendo snowboard, kayak, ya todo incluido, comida, barra libre. Este sale.
All right, so we're here at the Puerto Vallarta Pier, and we're waiting to get on the boat to Quimixto. So pretty soon we'll be on the water, and we're gonna be having a good time in the boat. And when we get there, we're gonna hit the beach. We're gonna hit the beach hard.
Mucha atención, ¿ok? Baja la información de la música, nene. Cuatro más. Ahí está. Chiquilla, tienes el snorkel al revés. Excelente, chicos.
Los Arcos. Just went snorkeling. I dropped my meal ticket, so I gotta go in the water. I wasn't gonna go in the water. Sayulita in the house. This made it all the way from Walmart. Hola amigos, estamos aquí en el Costeño, Sayulita, Mexico, and we're about to have seafood. Okay, caracol, pulpo, and some tacos de pescado. But Max ordered tacos de carne asada. That's okay. We'll let him go this time because this is his first trip here. But as you can see, we're right on the beach. Okay. Close to all the surfing, and we're gonna head out and catch 2-foot waves. Good. See you then. The wonderful thing about iguanas is that they taste real good. Barbecue them. No. They're delicious. So we are here at Playa De Los Muertos. As you can see, cemeteries there. That's why they call it Los Muertos. There's the dead and there's the alive. We're going to the jungle right now. And you know, we've been hiking about 50 kilometers. And you know what? We've heard stories that sometimes you don't make it. So, you know, if you don't see us, we took on a very dangerous task. There goes the car. Oh, there goes a ride.
vato! Oh my God! I see your legs up there. Dale. Listo. Aquí ponle. Ahí viene más. Yeah, perfecto. Esto se llama velocidad, ¿verdad?
Alright, so we're here at the Malecon. This is our last day in Puerto Vallarta. As you can see, sun's up, water's clearing up, fish are out, and we're pretty much out too. Because we'll be, in a couple of hours, we'll be on a plane flying back to California. Great trip.
I dedicate this one. I hope I make him proud.
Alright, Max, here we go. No pulling. Just visualize.
Pull it up!
And what does our host say? Alright, so Max was supposed to do a backflip, but then he did a forward flip, which ended up with his feet going in the blooper reel. Black flip with a twist, and he landed on his feet. So success, okay, here at Puerto Vallarta Pier.
I hate myself. I hate myself, man.